Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a can of beans easy method. Open the can, drain the liquid, and rinse the beans under cold water before heating. Heat a small saucepan on medium, add beans with a splash of water or broth, and stir gently for about 5 minutes until warmed through. Finish with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Warm and friendly tips can transform plain canned beans into a tasty side dish. After rinsing, add a 1/4 cup of broth or water to the pan and warm the beans slowly to avoid splattering. Stir in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or butter for richness and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin or smoked paprika. Finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of citrus to brighten the flavors. Canned beans are versatile and ready in minutes, making weeknight meals easier and more delicious. Serve beans over rice for a hearty plate, stuff them into tacos or burritos for instant comfort food, or toss them into salads and grain bowls for extra protein and texture. Keep simple garnishes like chopped cilantro, crumbled cheese, or a dollop of yogurt on hand to add color and contrast to every serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.